If most of you guys know me outside of YouTube and actually in real life, you guys know I'm kind of a video game nerd. And one of my friends recently sent me his Xbox because, well, I fix things too. Occasionally, not necessarily the best, but I have different ways than fixing them most. And this Xbox has the red ring of death. So, with that, I like to start with ventilation. That's key to fixing it. 5 shots normally does that pretty well. Now that we got some ventilation through, we want to extract the motherboard. It's a very delicate process, and I can think of no other weapon that has precision and delicacy all in one but the AK. Let's get this done. That'll do it. Now that we got all that extracted, last and final step to it all is you gotta put it all back together, which isn't too hard. And the best way to do it, most people would say screwdrivers and all that. I say Magnum buckshot. What do they know? I think it's fixed.